Hello and thanks for tuning in. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell, that way you'll be notified each time I upload a video. What I'm doing today is trading in my 2014 Honda Pilot for a larger truck. I've been debating between the Ford Super Duty F250, the GMC Sierra 2500 HD, the Ram 2500 HD, and the Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. I'll show you which one I picked up right after this. Okay, here's the new truck that's replacing the old Honda. It's the Ram 2500 with Cummins engine, 4x4, SLT model. It's a 2018. Nice thing about this one is now I have 3 cup holders. As you may recall from my last car, the way I had my radio set up, there was only 2 cup holders, which meant the wife had to go without. I will be putting the 2M440 radio back in, and eventually the FT891 will come back in. This is the Mega Cab model. The only issue I'm having right now is how I'm going to run the antennas. If anyone has any ideas or has seen it done in one of their ham radio friends or clubs, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'm open to any advice. And here's the Cummins engine, 6.7 liter inline 6, 800 foot-pounds of torque, dual battery, dual alternator. All right, let's go see which radio we're going to throw back in here, because I do have a new radio coming in. And here's the new radio. Yaesu's FTM-400XDR. Yes, I did have an FTM-400DR in my last car, but that one was several years old, so I figured it was time for an upgrade. However, when I install the radio this time, I'm going to be using the fuse block by Blue Sea. Want to make it a lot safer and a lot more organized than the last one. If you recall some of my other videos, kind of look like electronic spaghetti. Okay, I've got the Blue Sea hooked up. I've got it mounted to the fuse box lid, which I can still open without a problem. I've got the wires going through the fender well. The main body is going to be underneath the driver's seat, with the external speaker. See if we can't make quick contact. Available for a quick signal report. Just installed a new radio into a new truck, WJ6F.
Kilo Mike 6 Charlie November Delta, Surf City.
I'm up here in the Lake Forest area. Just installed a new FTM-400 into a Dodge Ram 2500.
Hey, it's Jeff over here in Huntington Beach, and yes, I would love to have one of those radios, so congrats, it sounds great.
I greatly appreciate it. Guess I'll go down and finish buttoning everything up. Thanks, WJ6F.
I'd rather have the truck. That too, but oh well. KF6 CND monitoring.
Thanks for taking the time to watch. If you've not done so, please subscribe and take a look at some of these other videos. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them below. Thanks again.